Hey, I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and please hit like. Here I'm working on the balance, cock, and balance of an Illinois Bun pocket watch. I've got my jeweling tool out here so I can do a precision removal of the jewel in this balance. So it's kind of tricky. You can get a jewel pusher to push the jewel out, but you're much better off if you've got a Seats jeweling set to push it out the proper way. So I did that. And all I wanted to do is make sure these jewels are nice and clean, and I'm able to oil them properly and put them back in place. So here I'm just using a piece of pegwood to scrape anything off the top of that jewel. And I'm fitting it, sizing it. So when I go grab it with the tweezers and rotate it, I'm rotating it to make sure it's in the proper position, because there's small indents for the screws that go in there, and you've got to make sure that those little half moons are aligned properly. Here I'm putting on the block and pushing it in and making sure that the regulator pins are going through the hole in that block. So this is a steel block I use for various jobs. And getting the screws in place here and testing it and checking it. And what I noticed is that with the alignment it was slightly off, so I said I'm going to do this again. And so I did it again. I did the whole procedure again. I had to re-oil it, and then this time when I put the screws in, they were aligned perfectly with that quarter moon, I'll say, that's in the cap jewel setting. So I'm screwing them in tight here, and so that's done. That's my Seats jeweling set here, and I'm just putting it all away, tucking it into position here, and I didn't realize that I put it all away and I had to take it back out again because I had to do the other jewel. So here I was putting the balance back together there, and it's all ready to go. I had cleaned it, and here I'm taking the lower jewel, and this is a jewel setting I'm removing. I just slightly scored that jewel just a bit, so the cap jewel, so I know exactly where it goes back into position. It's a witness mark basically put on the cap jewel. There we go. That's the witness mark there. And then I've got to push that out, and again use a jeweling set to push that out. So here I'm just not sure what I was doing. Oh, there we go. So I got the jeweling set back out. The stump size is important. You have to allow enough opening in the stump to allow the jewel to fall through. So there's the jewel settings, and that's the stump. So I've got the jewel out, and again I want to wash those jewels up. So I put that jewels, I use lighter fluid to do that, and I'll let them sit for a while. Then I use a brush to wipe off any dirt that's on the jewel setting on both sides. And once I've done that, I'm ready to let them dry. I put them on watch paper. That's why you see me reaching forward. So I'm actually just putting that on watch paper. And there's the watch paper and there's the settings. Let them sit for a while. The watch paper will suck up a lot of the moisture, which is nice. And then again, I took the pegwood, I sharpened it up nicely so I could actually use it to clean off that setting. And I peg out the hole, and now it's all ready to be reinstalled. And again, I want to reinstall it, and it's got to go down to the level of the lip that's in the actual watch plate. So I get my pusher, the right size pusher, to push that down into position. And it's aligned properly because the pusher is aligned from the top. And there we go, and I align that. Make sure it's aligned first before you oil it, and then you can grab it and flip it. So you're oiling the cap jewel and then putting that in place like that. And then I'm pushing that down with the flat part of the pegwood on all edges and checking to make sure it's good and flat. And then as well, I used a bigger stump here. I grabbed a bigger stump to make sure I push that down from the top. I want it to be as low and flat as possible. So it's in its original position. So there we go, that's being pushed down, and it's pretty much done. So there's the watch, and I'm putting the screws back in here, and we're all good for this particular job. So thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and please hit like, and we'll see you next time, folks.